Why China is winning the EV war. A strong manufacturing ecosystem, technological advancements, and well-thought-out government policies are all contributing to China's rise to the top of the electric vehicle market. China is now leading the global EV revolution thanks to this multifaceted strategy, which has also created the conditions for future industry growth and innovation. In this video, we will highlight some of the significant factors contributing to China winning the EV war. Government support and investment. The development of the electric vehicle industry has been greatly aided by the Chinese government, which has provided a broad framework for investment and support. The government has invested almost $230 billion in the EV industry since the start of its programs in 2009, making it one of the biggest global investments in green technology. These funds have been provided in a number of ways, such as direct subsidies for buyers of electric cars, which can drastically reduce the initial outlay. Furthermore, tax breaks and grants for research and development that promote creativity and technological progress also help manufacturers. As part of its larger environmental goals, the government has also set aggressive targets for EV adoption, hoping to have 20% of all vehicles on the road as electric by 2025. Policies like EV-specific license plates, exemptions from road usage fees, and affordable financing options have further encouraged people to switch from conventional gasoline cars to electric ones. Rapid growth and competitiveness among domestic manufacturers are encouraged by the ecosystem that has been created by the strategic alignment of government policy with industry goals. Battery technology leadership. China is a market leader in electric vehicles due in large part to its superior battery technology. Batteries are a vital component of EV production. The nation has made significant investments in R&D to progress battery technology with an emphasis on enhancing overall efficiency, charging speed, and energy density. Leading businesses that are leading this innovation include BYD and CATL, Contemporary Amperex Technology Co. Limited, which produce high-quality lithium-ion batteries that are widely used in both domestic and foreign EVs. Moreover, China holds a substantial share of the world's supply chain for battery-related materials like cobalt, nickel, and lithium, which are necessary for the production of batteries. From its global mining operations and domestic refining capabilities, China has secured a reliable and affordable supply of these essential materials. Due to their ability to produce batteries at a lower cost than their foreign competitors, Chinese manufacturers are now more competitive in the global market as a result of this vertical integration. China's leadership in this field will probably be essential to maintaining its dominance in the electric vehicle market as battery technology advances. Extensive manufacturing capacity. China's impressive rise to the top of the global electric vehicle production ladder can be attributed in large part to its vast manufacturing capacity. According to reports, more than half of newly sold cars in China by 2024 were electric, demonstrating the nation's strong manufacturing capabilities. The creation of production centers, especially in areas like Shenzhen and Shanghai, has made it easier to assemble electric cars quickly and effectively. These hubs have lower production costs and quicker turnaround times because they are close to suppliers of essential components, have a trained labor force, and have a well-developed infrastructure. In order to streamline their production processes, Chinese automakers have also embraced advanced manufacturing techniques like automation and artificial intelligence. Because of this, businesses like BYD, NIO, and Geely are able to manufacture a wide variety of electric vehicles, ranging from low-cost models to high-end luxury cars, to suit the needs of different customer segments. This enormous capacity not only satisfies the rapidly growing domestic market for EVs, but also establishes China as a significant EV exporter, thereby enhancing its position as a leader in the global automotive sector. Rapid market expansion. China's market for electric vehicles has grown rapidly. By July 2024, new energy vehicles will make up about 51% of all car sales. The market is expanding quickly due to a number of connected factors. First, consumers' growing preference for cleaner transportation options can be attributed to their increased environmental awareness. Concerns about urban air quality are driving up demand for gasoline-powered vehicle substitutes among consumers. Second, the Chinese government has put in place a number of initiatives, such as infrastructure development and financial incentives, to encourage the use of electric vehicles. To make the switch to electric mobility easier for consumers, the government, for example, has invested in public charging infrastructure and offered financial incentives for the purchase of electric vehicles. A wider range of buyers has also been drawn to EVs due to their availability in a variety of models, ranging from high-performance cars to more affordable options. As a result, there are many local and foreign companies fighting for market share in China's rapidly growing electric vehicle market, which is also becoming more competitive. Robust charging infrastructure. The establishment of a strong and comprehensive infrastructure for charging electric vehicles is a crucial element in China's mass adoption of these vehicles. The Chinese government has made the installation of charging stations a top priority after realizing that range anxiety is a major obstacle to the adoption of electric vehicles nationwide. China has installed millions of public charging stations by 2024, including fast-charging ones that allow cars to be recharged much faster than with conventional chargers. Along highways in rural areas and in urban areas, this vast network is positioned to provide consumers with easy access to charging stations wherever they go. In order to further improve the network, the government has also encouraged private investment in the infrastructure needed for charging. This has resulted in partnerships with energy providers and tech firms. To increase access in underserved areas, new innovations like solar-powered charging stations and mobile charging units are also being investigated. In addition to easing worries about running out of battery power, this all-encompassing approach to charging infrastructure encourages consumer confidence in owning an electric vehicle, which encourages further adoption. Aggressive international strategy. Chinese electric vehicle producers have greatly increased their worldwide sales and influence by pursuing an aggressive strategy to increase their market share abroad. Businesses with significant resources have invested in over 50 countries, including important markets in Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, such as BYD, NIO, and Speng. A rising reputation for quality, competitive pricing, and cutting-edge technology are the main forces behind this internationalization. Customers in emerging markets find Chinese automakers' electric vehicles appealing because they are frequently more affordable than those made by their Western counterparts. Moreover, Chinese companies have been able to overcome regulatory obstacles and modify their products to suit local tastes thanks to alliances with regional businesses and the construction of production facilities overseas. Chinese automakers are becoming more globally present while also increasing their R&D spending to better customize their cars for various markets and boost their competitiveness. By taking a proactive stance, they not only diversify their sources of income, but also challenge established automotive giants and establish China as a major player in the global electric vehicle market. Strategic supply chain control. China's pursuit of electric vehicle dominance has been greatly aided by its strategic control of the supply chain for essential battery materials. The nation has made large investments to gain access to resources like cobalt, nickel, and lithium, which are necessary for the manufacturing of batteries. China has lessened its dependency on foreign sources by guaranteeing a consistent supply of these materials through partnerships with mining companies and the acquisition of stakes in mines across the globe. Furthermore, China has built up substantial refining capabilities that enable it to process raw materials internally and keep control over availability and price. Chinese manufacturers benefit from lower production costs and improved responsiveness to changes in global commodity prices as a result of this vertical integration of the supply chain. China has a strong position in the global market for electric vehicles due to its control over the supply chain for battery materials. This allows its manufacturers to produce high-quality EVs at competitive prices, even as the demand for them grows. China's continued dominance in the electric vehicle industry is probably going to be greatly aided by this strategic advantage in the years to come. These points offer a thorough summary of the different aspects that have contributed to China's success in the electric vehicle market, emphasizing the interactions between technological innovation, market dynamics, government support, and strategic planning. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.